Here's how to make super simple marinated steak tips in the air fryer. These air fryer steak tips are succulent and juicy and cook in record time. Take a piece of sirloin or ribeye steak and cut it into 1-inch size cubes. Add some salt and pepper to taste. Add some melted butter and olive oil, half a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and some finely minced garlic. Give it a mix, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. If you have patience, then marinate it overnight. Cover the air fryer tray or air fryer basket with some parchment paper. Put the marinated steak pieces in the air fryer basket in a single layer. For medium rare steak tips, air fry at 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 8 minutes and 10 minutes and more to medium and well done steak bites. For the full marinated steak tips recipe and some tips and tricks, I have left the link in the description below the video. Check it out now.